Today, we're digging into a new way to think about procurement software, one that prioritizes people. So why do so many of these big, expensive procurement projects just stall out? Well, here's the core problem. It's this one-size-fits-all approach, and it's a huge misunderstanding. I mean, think about it. Requesters, buyers, and suppliers all have completely different needs, right? This old-school way leads to disaster. Nobody uses the system, errors go up, and your AI projects are toast. And when a system is that hard to use, people just find workarounds. That creates a ton of risk. So how do we actually fix this? The answer is a total shift in design philosophy. It's all about role-based design. You build the software around how people actually work. So an employee just ordering something gets a super simple view. A category manager gets something totally different. And this is brilliant. The right interface can actually embed intelligence and enforce policy automatically. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, but let's see how it plays out in the real world. This global car maker had these exact problems. Long approvals, no visibility, a total mess. So they used Oracle's Redwood design system to modernize the experience for each specific role. This wasn't just a facelift. It was a fundamental shift to a smarter, more intuitive platform. And that brings us to the main idea. Software so good, you can stop training and just start transacting. Because when you do that, users can get to work right away. That's how you get real value. So the real question is your software a tool for your team, or is it a roadblock?